Hi everyone, a very warm welcome from Emerge India Foundation, Public Charitable Trust, inspired and blessed by our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It gives me immense pleasure to share with you the objectives and the activities of Emerge India Foundation, which are to ignite the minds of 127 crores of people of this nation, and also to see India as the greatest economy and a superpower by 2020. And a small recapture: disabled people are the blessed people from our angle, because they are the best sources for the innovative ideas emergence. If God closes one door, He opens 1,000 doors for everyone. They are the perfect examples. Create a sense of being importance that they are able to do. If one sense is closed for them, if one organ is dysfunctional or non-functional, rest of the organs or rest of the senses are overcompensating to unleash their hidden potential. That is what the tremendous of capacity potential they have. We will make them to realize their potential, that kind of potential, and we will count them in our priority list as the top performance, and we will take them, we will support them, enable, support, handhold, and do anything and everything that is required in their benefit with regard to the disabled people. And we have to next see the very important topic of the diseases, the health problems, and also the illness. And the thing, we at NGOs, including ourselves, we do plenty of medical diagnosis camps, and we do thousands and thousands of people being attended for various diagnostics and for free. We all kinds of blood, BP, diabetes, cancer scanning, and so many things we do it for free. And we are giving you a slip that you are with hypertension type 2, and your BP levels are 180 and above, and your sugar level, diabetes level are 180, and so on, and also your cancer symptoms, and also your whatever diseases that the body has definitely diseases we reveal. And that is the immediate containment action that is necessary. And the immediate containment action is measuring the health problems, and measuring how much number of people are suffering from all the kind of diseases, because you need the data, you need to measure, and so that an action can be taken up. And we do a right job on immediate containment action side, but for a permanent preventive action side, what do we do? Because treatment is expensive, costlier. That is why thousands of years back, our ancient yogis, Siddhas, have found the secret that body is having the ability to heal by itself, the self-healing ability of the human body. That is the secret they have found out, and it is available in the system. But it has been forgotten, it has been ignored, it has been not considered at all. As a result, there is so much of disease and so much of problems and so much of chaos. And when we do the process of diagnosis, for free diagnosis for thousands of people, we identify the people with various diseases. But the people who are afford, the rich, they go and take the treatment. There's a big queue in front of the medical doctors, and they take up the treatment. And in spite of that, what happens? Your body, for that kind of diseases what you have, there is some percentage of loss of your efficiency. You definitely tend to lose some kind of efficiency because of the impact of whatever may be the diseases. And the ancient yogic technique treatment, I'll come to that next. And for the rest of the other community people, downtrodden, underprivileged, crores and crores of people, what is their state? Where they will go for treatment? We have done the diagnosis, immediate containment action. But what we have done for permanent preventive action? What is the permanent? So we say we have to take a permanent preventive action. The only way is they can take up ancient yogic techniques of treatment for diseases, and also revoking the body's self-healing capability. But for which we need to prepare the base. Here, the body, mind and soul has to be harmonizing. The body, mind and soul, and also the chakras alignment we are doing. And also we are working on your energy levels through meditation and yoga, and also putting your higher energy level and elevating you from a lower energy level, and thrashing completely your negativity and fully making you positive. These are all preparing the base. And only then the body, mind and soul alignment happens, and after that the chakras alignment happens. Then only the body is prepared for self-healing abilities, pre-qualification. So we do that. And no doubt, you can take whatever the medical doctor treatment, whatever the treatment methodology, and parallelly you take the ancient yogic method of preparing the body for treatment and taking up the ancient yogic way of treating for diseases. And once you are treated, and the downtrodden people who are not afford to take up the medical expenses, the best option is available, the best gift available for this ancient yogic method of healing for treatment for diseases, that is being offered to them for free. And with that, we are awakening the self-healing ability of the body, and the body can heal by itself for the diseases. Once you are healed, you can become the treaters. You can treat others by teaching the same technique. You can spread the technique, because it has to happen through people's network. People has to spread the good message, spread the wisdom to the next person, and that is why then only the complete, because body, mind, soul, all the three are to be synchronized, and all the three has to be harmonized. And if any one is disturbed, body is disturbed, it will be problem, and the mind is disturbed, it will be problem, and the soul, and that is also the problem. And that is why we earlier treated for the mind by various mind development, brain development techniques. Now we have come to the body treatment, ancient yogic treatment. So it is a complete, we are building block, we are completely with the foundation, we are completely organized and systematic, we are with the meaningful. Definitely it will work, because we are completely, we are justifying for all your doubts on how it is going to happen, how it is implemented, because background work is thoroughly, and only thing is we have to implement that. We need millions and minds and hands like you and every one of my fellow NGOs and corporates and the common man. And next is this is the body, the intake, the only source is the food. But the agricultural production, agricultural input have totally lost its charm. There is poisonous food production, and the soil have lost its fertility and capacity, and this is a greater damage done producing the poisonous food and poisonous agricultural produces, and that spoils the body, and we have to immediately contain it. That is the immediate containment action that is necessary, and we NGOs, we have to work very seriously on it. Because why I am saying in the last that issue, because that is the first thing that has to register in your mind. Whichever is said last, that will be the first thing that is going to be in your mind all the time. And not only NGOs, corporates, each and everyone, common man, we have to do something or other to immediate containment action of stopping the production of the consumption of the poisonous agricultural producers, and aim for the quality agricultural producers and healthy agricultural producers, organic agricultural producers. But how it is possible? It is possible. We have to work it on a war foot basis. There is nothing less than a war foot basis is sufficient, a war foot action, because somewhere or other in the extreme corners of this nation, a lot of value addition is happening on regaining the quality agricultural productions, and regaining the strength of our soils and richness of our soils, and quality organic agricultural producers are happening in the extreme corners. And that's not sufficient. It has to happen nationwide. This wisdom must be shared without a business angle, without a monetary benefit angle. It should be a pure social angle. This wisdom must be shared. This wisdom must be spread across every fellow Indian agriculturist and who is in the agricultural farming, and that must be immediately implemented, because the organic method of production that is happening is 0.0001%. It is about 10 to 20 times expensive, and it is not also not affordable by a downtrodden or underprivileged, or even I can say the middle class is not afford to purchase the organic method of production. That is why every window we have to make a agricultural window gardening, or your doorstep gardening, or your backyard gardening, and your rooftop gardening, and everywhere gardening. Even if you do it at every home, a single part of organic produce, and it is making a culture. Irrespective of the magnitude, it will not fulfill the magnitude of requirement, but it will change the culture. Your focus on need for organic production, every house, and it has to focus. And immediately war foot action is we are taking up. We need your support for this, and if just we have covered the body and also mind and soul. Your body, you are doing the toning and you are doing the exercise, you are keeping it fit to keep it disease free, and regular exercises and yoga and meditation. These things are available in the system with us in the online. You can take it for free and you can practice. There will be mentors, there will be experts, there will be guides are there in the Center for Excellence to guide you, to support you. Even for the agricultural producers, what is the wisdom that is there and what is the extreme corner of throughout the India and the remote places it is available. It will be available in the system. It will be available through the village support groups, Center for Excellences, for everyone to immediately implement. We will enable, support and handhold and do anything and everything for this agricultural innovation to happen, because the innovation has to happen and very large magnitude and unimaginable scale it has to happen in the agricultural side. And agricultural innovation, we are saying, and it is in a very difficult state, and it is in a very significant. We have to take up the corrective action with regard to the agricultural innovation. And with regard to the body, you are doing exercise, you are keeping it fit, you are toning, and you are burning your calories. That is important. You are taking that knowledges from our websites, and one training programs and podcast and Skype and various supportings are available online and offline through our Center for Excellence. But mind also a gym we have. Mind also equally body, mind and soul harmonizing, mind practices, mind games and mind stimulating exercises, mind stimulating therapies and mind stimulating activities are to keep your mind vijay, to keep your mind alert, to keep this awakening and to keep constantly continual improvement phase. The mind game, you have to take part. Those mind games activities also available with us through online, through offline, through our Center for Excellence, through our training programs. And with regard to agriculture, you have to remember one thing: the body needs nutritional food, and we are giving the nutritional food for the poor, for the downtrodden, for the underprivileged people, because malnutrition is the greatest area which is the more damaging, and that has to be again attacked on a war food basis. The malnutrition, nutritious food supplements availability for the downtrodden, for the poor, for the underprivileged, and fight for hunger. There is no more hunger. And mind also needs a nutritious food. The brain also needs the best brain nutritious food is from our research we have found out, we have conducted the trials. We have also proved that the Brahmi is the best suitable for the brain development. And Brahmi as a vegetable, as a food substitute, we must be taking frequently, constantly, and for the benefit we can share that wisdom. Now, it is the plant that can be grown most suitable for our demographic situation. It can grow in any place wide across this India. There is so much of barren lands are there. It has to be cultivated on large scale, and it will be supplied to the people for free. It will be supplied to them in abundance for the people. That is the brain power enhancement substitutes. Supplements are available, and this is the complete picture we have shared. Also take part and do it now. Start your engine now and ignite the momentum now. And thank you very much for your support, for being with us. We hope that you will join to the System of Emerge India Foundation, my fellow NGO, the corporates and the common mans, and each and every of to ignite the 127 crores of minds, and also to rebuild this nation as the greatest economy and the world's greatest superpower by 2020, and fulfilling the dream of our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.